I'm going to be showing you how to transfer Royal Match to a new phone. So if you want to transfer your Royal Match progress to a new phone, you need to link your game to either Facebook, Google, or your Apple account. So in order to do that, what you need to do is enter the game and just look at the top right where you can see this gear icon right here. Just go ahead and tap here. And now you have multiple options regarding your music, sound, vibration, hint, notifications, and now you have Save Your Progress right over here. Just go ahead and tap on Save Your Progress, and now you have options to sign in with Facebook, Google, Apple. It's completely up to you. So if you don't have a Facebook account, just go to Google. If you're using an iOS device, then just tap on Apple. Just tap here and tap on Continue. And there you go. As you can see, I have successfully signed in with Google. And that's how you transfer your Royal Match progress to a new phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.